Dear friend, welcome to my channel Gemini Architecture. Today topic is Dialux Evo 11. What is new feature in Dialux Evo 11? So I will explain you what is new feature and what should Dialux will be improved because there is some loose function in Dialux. Suppose first of all I just explain that this is higher version. 11 is higher version. So suppose I want to save in lower version. So how it is possible? If somebody has 10.1 and you just launch is 11, so that file cannot be open in 10.1. That person is also download 11, then after that will open. So one is thing is that so Dialux will be improved that thing, and I will explain other things. We go to export, and here you see the now you can save AutoCAD 2018 to 20. In previous version that is 15. And second thing, you go to street lighting. Now you place any luminary. Now you can adjust the boom angle also, and there is some new feature in boom angle, nothing else. And third is emergency lighting. So emergency lighting is here, and some new option coming in this part. So nothing is new in Dialux 11. What they should be modified, they will be we can save our file in lower version. So this option will be required in Dialux Evo 11. Okay, hope you understand my mean, and hope you like the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest information. Thank you for watching our video.